Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware and account access so the process isn't blocked later. Check that your GPU has at least 4 GB of RAM and meets the game's minimum. Update your graphics driver now. Once done, make sure you are signed into the correct Activision/Warzone account and that the game is installed to a drive with ample free space. These steps remove common launch failures and let you focus on enabling and loading the DMZ Mazrah content without interruptions. You now install and validate game files, then tune graphics so Mazrah runs smoothly. Run the game launcher's verify or repair option to fetch any missing map assets. This prevents map load errors. Once verified, open in-game video settings and enable texture streaming, set DLSS or FSR if available, and adjust render scale to balance quality and FPS. Make sure your GPU power plan and game priority are set to high. These choices reduce stutter during large open map loads. You're ready to join DMZ Mazrah. Select DMZ mode and pick Mazrah, then allow a few minutes for the map to stream assets. If you experience crashes or texture pop-in, immediately lower render scale, turn off ray tracing, and restart the game as administrator. These quick fixes often resolve performance issues. If problems persist, run the launcher verify, reinstall the map assets, or update GPU drivers. One key troubleshooting tip: clear shader and cache folders before a reinstall to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.